What's up guys, my name is Nia and today's video is going to be a quick power hour clean with me. Some days I do not have the energy to spend hours cleaning, so setting aside an hour is an easy way to get my home back in order. So grab your favorite cleaning supplies and let's tackle our messy homes together. You were never backing down, backing down, backing down. If this is your first time here and you love cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below introducing yourself and let me know where you're from. I would love to say hi. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. So today is laundry day, so I'm starting off with folding a load and putting that away. I switched over to doing laundry all in one day about a month or two ago, and it has really worked out great for my family. I tried the whole doing a load a day and it became too much for me. So if you're looking to switch up your laundry routine, I will leave that video linked down below for you. I'm curious to know, how do you tackle your laundry? Are you a do it a load a day whenever you get a chance, or knock it out all in one day kind of girl?
So different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
So by the end of the week, this is typically what my closet looks like. There's shoes all over the place. There's clothes that need to be put away, because as I'm getting dressed throughout the week, I end up changing my mind, or the weather isn't what it says it was going to be. So I kind of just go through and tidy up the closet just a little bit. Speaking of clothes, I literally just purchased a few orders of some really cute summer clothes that I really think that you guys are going to love. If you would like to see a video on that, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If we can get it to 50 likes, then I will definitely make sure to do that for you guys. finished doing a quick tidy up of our room and then Riley's room, I'm then going in with a little bit of spick and span and doing a quick wipe down of all of the surfaces.
I'm walking on this hill of mine, just gotta get past it. I see the lights, they're on so bright. Find my way to you. From Waterloo to Amsterdam, we'll be in little heaven. Ain't it fun to dream about that love? Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, gotta dream a bit while you can. Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise. Little heaven, ain't it fun to dream about that love? Roll the dice and we'll go to paradise.
There wasn't too much that needed to be done in the bathroom because I had done a deep clean a day or two prior to filming this video. So I will leave that video linked up in the cards as well as down in the description bar for you guys. I was testing out a couple of different cleaning hacks to see how well they worked, and I definitely found some good ones. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So I had done my makeup and a little bit of hair in the morning. So I'm going through and basically just putting all of that stuff away.
And on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes.
And then I'm going to go in and wipe down our floor length mirror because there's always handprints all over it. Riley loves to put her hands all over it. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick wipe down and then sweep the floors.
Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute, yeah. Hey, would you rather?
What would a cleaning video be if we didn't tackle the kitchen? So I'm basically just adding the dishes from the sink into the dishwasher so I can run a load. To be honest, this day I just did not feel like hand washing the dishes. It gets like that sometimes.
Sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages.
For more cleaning motivation and videos like this, make sure to subscribe below, and I will see you in a few days in another video.
You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies.